Hi everybody, Unknown Unboxers back again, this time with the Fossil 5th generation smartwatch. And I want to start off by giving a big shout out to our friends at Fossil for the impressive packaging and the box itself. You see a lot of the Fossil branding in the box that it came shipped in, and also with a little envelope, not to forget about the details, essentially outlining the warranty for the watch. And if I were to so inclined, I also have a prepaid shipping label if I wanted to return the watch itself. But I'm not going to do that. So let me put this aside and jump back into the watch itself. You can see, bring this watch out. Keep it right here. It's in a little display case. And as I open it up, you can see that we have got a leather band for the watch itself. It's brown to give it a more rustic vintage look. So it looks like a traditional dial watch, but it actually is a smartwatch in itself. What else is unique about the box? There's enough branding in there, but what's extremely important is that this watch runs the new Wear operating system that's developed by Google. And there's a little bit of a fine print in there. I'm not sure if you can read it, but it actually says that it's compatible with both iPhone and Android devices. So you don't have to go looking around on whether it is going to work with your smartphone at all, right? So let's go right in and take a look at the watch itself. Let's bring it out. Let's place it here. On the side panel, there's a little charging cable. Looks a bit like the Apple Watch charging outlet with the kind of a circular charging at the end with the USB on the other side, right? That's the case for it. Let's keep that one aside. Let's bring the watch out itself. There's a little screen protector. Let's take it out. See how it looks. Let's see if it can turn on. Oh, I see a little tap. So it's turning on right now. And as it's turning on, let's see what else it has. There's a little strap in here at the back. Looks very stylish, I must say. Let's see if I can open it up and put it on my wrist while you see it turn on. Oh, there's little 4 Google dots in there. Let's try to open it up as the watch boots up. Look at that booting up. It just morphs into the Wear OS by Google logo, and then it's tap to begin. Multiple languages supported, just like you would, typically opening up an Apple Watch, and then you can choose your language. Let's choose English, United States. Agree to the terms and conditions. And then yes, it just needs the Wear OS app on your smartwatch and on your smartphone, and then you can pair the smartwatch onto your smartphone. That's essentially it. But before I end, I just want to show you how it looks on your wrist. Let me just open it up really quickly. Here's the watch. I wouldn't say I have a massive wrist, but then, you would be fooled into thinking that it's a regular dial watch. It actually is very rustic, very vintage looking, but also gives a very modern feel to it. A cool other feature is a way that you can use the turn knob to actually scroll up and down on the watch itself. Just to scroll down on the right. Thanks again for watching. Please continue to like, share, subscribe, and provide your suggestions on what other cool products you'd like us to unbox.